Saturday Morning by Joep Beving. This is one of his lesser known works, but a real pleasure to play nonetheless. I think you guys are really going to like this one because it's lovely, but also extremely easy to learn. So easy, in fact, that I'm going to teach it to you with both hands right away. So no left hand, right hand business. We're just going to jump in with both hands right away. Okay, I'll play the first 10 seconds for you, and then I'll show you how to do it yourself. Before I do that, though, please hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever there's anything new that comes out on the channel, film music or classical. But for now, here is some Joep Beving. This is where I'll stop. So as you may have noticed, it's all just quarter notes, right? So not a lot of rhythmic intricacy here. And this is why I can begin with teaching you both hands at the same time. Starting with the right. We start off with G octaves, and we begin with 7 of them before the left hand comes in on the 8th. So let's have a look. We have once, yes, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. This is where the hands come together. Notice also that my thumb covers 2 notes here, G and A in the right hand. You just have to flatten out the thumb and use the knuckle to press both the notes down. Very easy, very comfortable to do. So, moving on. What you're going to notice also is the right hand is going to have the octave G at all times until it falls to F sharp. Moving on. 2 and 2, plus the octave Gs. Next. 1 in the left, 2 in the right, plus the Gs. Second finger over to the B flat now. Right hand 3. Moving on. Thumb left, third right. Lift. F sharps in the right now. 2 of them. Moving on. Both the hands move up by a semitone. We do that once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, and then we do this again, which we already know. No difference. But when you get to this next section, which is the same, you're going to have a little change in the left hand. Watch. 4 first, and then 2 on the same note. Right? So we do this as normal, 4 on the bottom, but then the second time you play it, you switch to the second finger, and then again, stay, and now is where we have our first introduction of some eighths. And I'll teach you that sort of separately. First, let me cover the pedaling for this. It's straightforward enough, and it kind of depends on the instrument that you have at your disposal. But I would start with the pedal down for all of these Gs. Change. And this is where it becomes a little bit, it's up to you. You can hold it down and let it mix if you don't have a very boomy instrument. But if you want to keep it very tidy and very clean, I would suggest pedaling on every new note. Right? So change, 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 hold, and change. And hold for all of these, right? And then, of course, same thing. Change, 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 change. And then change. Move to the second. Cool. And moving forward into the next section, I'm going to cover on the website. Join us and me over there, and finish this off. I've transcribed because I only found the one performance of his on YouTube, so I listened to it, wrote down what I heard, and this is what I came up with. You can download the sheets directly from the website, and of course finish the full piece, the full Saturday morning piece up there. Okay, cool. If you think I've earned it, please subscribe to this channel and leave me a comment below letting me know what you'd like me to do next. What are the pieces you'd like to learn? Okay, I'll see you on there. Thanks for watching.